How do I quickly create a new PASCO Capstone experiment file configured for manual sampling?
We're going to take advantage of yet another of the startup options. Now, I didn't mention this earlier, but when I chose the sensor data button, there's actually a drop down here that gives me multiple options. When you choose the button, it chooses the first one, which was continuous sampling. That is, at the sample rate, the default sample rate or the one I selected, record data from all the connected sensors. There are other options for doing things like fast monitoring in a scope or looking at spectral display of FFT. But in this case, I'd like to choose the second option, which is from the tooltip to graph manual sampled sensor data versus user entered data. That sounds perfect for this investigation where I have user entered volumes and sensor based pressures. So let me choose that. It is, as always, going to prompt me to connect a sensor. So I'll turn on my wireless pressure sensor, connect to it. And now I can see that it has filled in pressure for the second column of the table and the y-axis, but the x-axis and the first column are just generic x. This is the user entered data. I'm going to rename this because this is what I'd like to be the volume. The syringe is marked in milliliters, so I'll use that. And a subtle thing has happened here. Besides setting up this user entered data against the sensor data, it has also put this file into what's called keep mode. So I'm going to show you that it's hidden this, but it's now in keep mode as opposed to a continuous mode.